Sage Intacct is an AI-powered, high-performance finance software designed for smart accounting operations. It streamlines data flow, accelerates business processes, and provides multi-dimensional reports for better decision-making. It helps you avoid cost overruns, streamline month-end close, flag budget variances, and achieve greater accuracy. Here are the features. Sage Copilot, your AI assistant, provides real-time insights, flags anomalies, and helps you make smarter business decisions. Streamline expense tracking and time management to get a clearer picture of labor costs. Offers seamless, two-way integration with a wide range of third-party tools, such as e-commerce and expense management. Create reports and visualize key performance indicators, KPIs, with dimensional reporting. Enables collaborative budgeting, what-if scenario modeling, and helps teams make more agile financial decisions. Automates financial consolidation, intercompany transactions, and currency conversions. Lesser-known facts about Sage Intacct. Highest customer satisfaction in the mid-market accounting industry G2. Accelerates finance team productivity by 40% or more. Trusted by over 24,500 businesses. Which industries use Sage Intacct the most? Financial services. Software as a service. Hospitality. Professional service. Biotech and life sciences. Non-profit organizations. Wholesale distributors. Franchise. Sage Intacct services. Our highly specialized consultants help you set up and configure Sage Intacct to fit your specific needs and workflows. Ensure seamless flow of data between systems by integrating with other business-critical tools. We provide ongoing technical assistance and expert help to resolve any issues you may have. Avail new features that are not available out of the box from our specialized developers. Make the transition as smooth as possible with complete data integration and accurate recording. Sage Intacct automates complex accounting and provides real-time insights, so your finance team can drive business forward. Connect with us now.